You're on.
What's up, Time Vault? Well, everyone that's viewing the channel should go ahead and subscribe to the Time Vault channel. If you've seen me before, it's because I'm a YouTuber as well, 1194 Video, and behind me, we've stopped all channel's place to let him check out this truck so that his viewers can also see it as well. Some of y'all have seen some of the 67, 68 Mustangs, the Cougar, some pretty cool cars over at some of his family's place. But 55 Ford truck. It's got a Ford Ranger chassis up underneath it. It's got the Ford Ranger 2.5 liter engine, 5-speed transmission. The door is currently not working. Dynacorn hinges, I've not released this on my channel yet, but the Dynacorn hinges that are brand new for this truck fell apart in the parking lot. So I had just from another company other than Dynacorn. So I'm gonna have to get on the factory side. The rear end, this rear end is actually bent. This wheel's bent and the leaf spring's bent. So it's a little bit lower on this side. I've got another rear end out of a Ford Explorer we're going to be putting in it with disc brakes. So that's going to be something I'm going to have on the 1194 Video channel. I'm going to be doing a new leaf springs under it as well. And just cut everything off, flip sway bars, things like that on the rear end. We left everything patina on the truck, everything on the outside, of course new bumpers, everything in the bed's new, the wheels and tires, everything inside's new. So it's just a fun driver. Everybody wonders why do you do a 4-cylinder? In gas prices lately, that's why. But go ahead, subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment on Time Vault there. And if he has to ask me, he can, and he can get back to you. Thanks for watching, guys.